Dear students, very important questions for second PUC students. If you learn these questions, definitely you will get good marks in public examinations. In the first chapter, electric charges and fields, state and explain Coulomb's law, also in vector form. This question had asked in public examination in March 2017, July 2015, April 2015 and March 2014. State and explain Gauss law. This question had asked in public examination July 2017. Write any three properties of charge. This question had asked in public examination July 2014. Write any three properties of electric field lines. This one asked in public examination March 2017, March 2016 and March 2015. Write the SI unit of charge. This one asked in March 2015. Write the SI unit of electric field. This question asked in March 2014. Second chapter, electric potential and capacitance. Derive an expression for relation between electric field and electric potential. This question asked in public examination March 2017 for 3 marks. Derive an expression for potential energy of a system of two charges in the absence of electric field. This is for 3 marks asked in March 2014. Derive an expression for capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. So this one is very important for 5 marks. This question asked in public examination in March 2015 and also for 3 marks. Derive an expression for equivalent capacitance of two capacitors in parallel. This one for 3 marks. Next, derive an expression for energy stored in a charged capacitor. This one asked for 3 marks in March 2016. What is Van de Graaff generator? Mention its application. What is electrostatic shielding? Mention its uses. This is important for 2 marks. Third chapter, current electricity. Define mobility of electrons. This one very important for 1 mark. This one asked in March 2017. State and explain Ohm's law. Also limitations. 2 marks. March 2017, March 2015. State Kirchhoff's rules. This one also asked in public examination for 2 marks. Define drift velocity of electrons. This one is for 1 mark. Asked in July 2014. Derivation on drift velocity for 3 marks. This one asked in public examination. In March 2016 and July 2016. What is the principle of potentiometer? Write 2 applications of potentiometer for 2 marks. How does the resistivity of metal and semiconductor vary with temperature? This one is asked in public examination for 2 marks. Derive an expression for equivalent resistance when 2 resistors are connected in parallel. This one also very important for 3 marks. And also in series also you have to learn. This one asked in March 2015. Obtain the condition for balance of a Wheatstone bridge using Kirchhoff's laws. 5 marks. This one is for 5 marks. This one is asked in March 2016 and July 2016. Fourth chapter, moving charges and magnetism. State and explain Ampere's circuital law. This one asked in public examination in March 2015 and for 2 marks in March 2014. What is the nature between 2 parallel conductors carrying currents in same direction? 1 mark. This is for 1 mark. Asked in public examination in March 2014 and July 2014. What is toroid? Mention the expression for magnetic field inside the toroid. This one is for 2 marks. Asked in public examination in March 2016. What is cyclotron? Write the uses of cyclotron. This one also important for 2 marks, 3 marks. Important for 3 marks. Asked in public examination July 14 and 2016 for 1 mark. Derive an expression for magnetic field strength at any point on the axis of a circular current loop using Biot-Savart's law. 5 marks. This one is very important for 5 marks. Asked in public examination in March 2015 and March 2017. Derive an expression for the force between two straight parallel current carrying wires and define ampere. This one is for 5 marks. Asked in public examination in July 2015 and March 2016 and also July 2016. How do you convert a galvanometer into ammeter? This one is for 3 marks. March 2015. How do you convert a galvanometer into voltmeter? This one also for 3 marks. Asked in public examination in March 2017 and July 2017. Fifth chapter, magnetism and matter. State and explain Gauss law in magnetism. So this one is very important for 3 marks or 2 marks. Define the terms magnetic declination, 1 mark in March 2015. Magnetic dip. Define the terms magnetic declination and magnetic dip. This one is for 2 marks, asked in public examination in March 2017. Magnetization and also its SI unit. Define the terms magnetic declination, magnetic dip, magnetization and its SI unit. Asked for 3 marks in March 2014 and also March 2015. Define magnetic permeability. Define magnetic susceptibility. These are also important for 1 marks. State Curie's law. This one is for 1 mark. Asked in July 2015 and July 2016. Distinguish between dia and paramagnetic materials. This one is very important for 3 marks. Mention the properties of ferromagnetic materials. This one is very important for 3 marks. Asked in March 2016 and March 2017.